Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Young, and I'm going to be sharing a book with you today called Ostriches, Giant Birds. This is going to be a nonfiction book, which means that everything we read in the book is going to be true facts about ostriches. Now, before we get started, I want to move over to the glossary of the book and review some of the vocabulary words we're going to see. The first one is hatch, which means to break open, such as when a bird breaks out of an egg. It hatches. The next one is herds, which means a group of large land animals. When you see a group of cows in a field, that is called a herd of cows. The next one is noise, which is a sound that is loud or unpleasant to hear. Then we have special, which is better than or different from normal. Just like your birthday is a special day, sometimes you will do something different than what you would normally do because it is your birthday. Next we have warns, which means to alert or tell somebody or something that there's going to be danger or something might be dangerous. And the last one is wild, which means in a natural state, not controlled by humans. Okay, now before we get ready to read our book, what would our main topic or our main focus of this book be? That's right, it's going to be about ostriches. Remember, the main topic or main focus is what the book is mostly about, and we can usually get that from our cover of our book or our title page. Okay, ostriches, giant birds. Now our focus question is, what advantages and disadvantages does the ostrich have because of its size? Advantages are things that are good or could help the ostrich because of its size. And disadvantages are things that are bad or could cause something to be a little bit harder or more difficult for the ostrich because of its size. So as we're reading, let's think about what advantages and disadvantages the ostrich has. A very big bird. The ostrich is the biggest bird in the world. Most ostriches are taller than the tallest people. Shows here that the ostrich height is 9 feet and he weighs 350 pounds. And this human is 6 feet and weighs 175 pounds. Ostriches have wings and feathers, but they can't fly. An ostrich can run fast and far. It is the fastest animal with 2 legs. It runs faster than most 4-legged animals. All right, so under the picture right here, it also says an ostrich wings help keep it from falling when it runs. So that could be an advantage of the ostrich's wings. They're so big that they can help the bird from falling over when it runs. Now, a disadvantage would be that he has wings and feathers, but he can't fly. Eyes on the prize. Ostriches have small heads with big eyes. Their eyes are bigger than those of any other land animal. And right here it says an ostrich eye is 5 times bigger than a human eye. So that would be like having 5 of your eyes as 1 eye. That's pretty big. Home sweet home. Most wild ostriches live in Africa. They live in small herds of 10 or more birds. Remember, wild means, let's go back and look, in a natural state, not controlled by humans. So they're not living in somebody's backyard or in a zoo, right? They're just out in the wild. And they also live in small herds, which means groups. So their groups are of 10 or more birds. Ostriches use teamwork to stay safe. Their sharp eyes and long necks help them spot danger from far away. Ostriches live peacefully with many other wild animals. So over here you see the ostriches, and then we see an elephant and a giraffe. And they are all living very peacefully together. Now I want to go back down here. It says, their sharp eyes. Does that mean that the ostrich has pointy or sharp eyes, like a knife or scissors? No, having sharp eyes means that they can see very well, or they are very quick to see things. And their long necks also help them spot danger from far away. That would be an advantage of the ostrich large eyes and their long necks. What's on the menu? Ostriches eat grass, other plants, and fruit. They also eat bugs and other small animals. Ostriches don't drink much water. They get water from the plants and fruit they eat. An ostrich's long neck helps it reach food on the ground. That is another advantage of the long neck on an ostrich. All right, what makes an ostrich a bird? Down here it says all birds have a backbone, which is going to be the spine. All birds have feathers and wings. They all have a bill, which is going to be the beak. They all lay eggs, and they are all warm-blooded. An ostrich has the biggest eyes of any bird. An ostrich has 2 holes in its bill to breathe. That would be like his nose. An ostrich has wings and feathers but cannot fly, so that's a disadvantage for the ostrich, right? An ostrich has the largest eggs of any land animal. Those are pretty big, and look at the little baby ostriches. An ostrich has only 2 toes on each foot. Look out! Run! Lions and cheetahs hunt ostriches for food. Ostriches must be on the lookout. Their long necks help them look far. They have strong legs and big feet. An ostrich can kick very hard. Its kick can kill a lion. So that would be an advantage of the ostrich's long and strong legs. They have the very strong legs, and then look how big the ostrich's foot is. Ostriches make a loud noise when they see a lion. The noise warns other animals that lions are near. And remember, we know that warns is to alert to danger, so they are warning other animals about the lions, which could be dangerous. From big egg to big bird. A male or a boy ostrich digs a shallow pit or a hole in the dirt for a nest. The mother lays her eggs in the pit. In 6 weeks, baby ostriches hatch from the eggs. A baby ostrich is the size of a grown chicken. So we saw that back on this page. These are just baby ostriches, but they're already about the size of a chicken. An ostrich chick grows about 1 foot or 30 centimeters per month. In 6 months, the baby ostrich will be grown. It can live for 50 years or more. Conclusion. Ostriches are special birds. They are strong and fast. Ostriches are bigger than any other bird. So remember, special means better than or different from normal. So an ostrich is not like your normal bird, but there are still a lot of advantages to being an ostrich. For today's assignment, you're going to go to Seesaw and type an informative writing piece about ostriches and what we learned. So an example of what your topic would be there are many advantages to being the largest bird, right? We learned that there are advantages and disadvantages, but if I want to just pick advantages, there are a few things I could talk about. They are, remember, they're the fastest animal with 2 legs. They use their sharp eyes and long necks to help them spot danger. And what about on this page? What helps them? Their strong legs and big feet. Okay, and then at the very end of your writing, remember you want to have a good, strong conclusion. So you could talk about why ostriches are special birds and review the advantages that we talked about.